The Post ran an article last week that essentially said Maryland and Virginia are duking it out for a new football stadium and that D.C. is not in the game at this point. We know that you want the team, the Washington football team, here. But if they went to Virginia or stayed in Maryland, what would you like to see happen with the land where RFK Stadium now sits?
Oh, okay. Now, first of all, let me start with the premise that the district is not in the game. That is absolutely not true.
Once Jack Evans is breathing, we're in the game.
We have had discussions off and on with the Washington Redskins football team, or whatever you want to call them, for a long time, and there is no doubt in anybody's mind, including Maryland and Virginia, who have said this, that the best site for a football stadium in the metropolitan area is the RFK site, for lots of reasons. It was on the news last night. It has a historical significance. It's transportation. We have a metro on site, roads leading in, 10,000 parking spots. There's a whole host of reasons why, if a new stadium is built, it should be a dome stadium where RFK currently sits. Look at Virginia, and not to knock Virginia, but you build a stadium in Loudoun County. Oh, my goodness. I don't even know where Loudoun County is.
It's like building an airport in Loudoun County. Oh, wait, they did that.
Yeah, and it's